Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
So we are going to start. We are going to start next chapter, that is chapter 10, respiration in organisms, right? Respiration in organisms. So just, before starting that chapter, all of you sit quietly, sit properly, sit properly. Yeah, sit straight. Your posture is also important for your studies. Sit straight. Yeah. So all of you sit straight. Yeah. Take a deep breath. Inhale. This morning, right? Inhale. Okay, exhale. Okay. Take in. Annette, you are not doing it. Give it out. Okay, once again. Do you want to continue? Yes. One more time. One more time. Take in. Yeah. Take out. So 3 times you did it, right? It is a small form of breathing exercise. Okay. This breathing exercise helps us to reduce our tension. Okay. Doctors also are prescribing it. I think you know about it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good. So you have to practice this daily. Morning or 2 times you can practice. No, just take deep breath 10 or 5 times. So when you are doing it, what we call that one? When we take in oxygen.
Inhaling and exhaling.
Okay, inhaling and exhaling. Okay, you in the smaller classes. You are, okay, Naveen. See, in the smaller class, you learned about these all things, right? See, this is one of the important tip for a peaceful life. In all the yoga, these yoga gurus, they are all recommending this breathing exercise. See, whenever we are in tension, whenever you have to perform in the assembly in front of so many students or so many people, you may get a little bit nervous, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to do, do this breathing exercise. Take deep breaths and intake and out, inhale and exhale deeply. Then you can find the change. Okay, so this process, inhaling, exhaling, what is the meaning? What is the name of this process? What is the name of this process? Intake, taking out, taking in. What is the name of this process? Breathing. Sure. Okay, that is breathing. Okay, here also I can see so many videos are off. Please, Mehul, very good. I am first time seeing you in my class. Please switch on your video. Asad also, Felix, Azim, Sarang Shashidharan. So this breathing is the process. Who can say about breathing? Who can say about breathing? What do you mean by breathing?
Breathing is the process of taking
one minute. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Okay, so I can give chance. Yeah. So my question is, what do you mean by breathing? What do you mean by breathing? Sarang Shashidharan, can you give the answer? Sarang Shashidharan, can you? Yeah, yes, breathing. What do you mean by breathing? Yeah.
Breathing is the process of taking in oxygen.
Very good.
And letting out carbon dioxide.
Very good answer. Okay, breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide. Okay, let me share it so that you can start noting down the points. Okay, are you ready with the rough book or paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I think you can keep a note.
1 minute.
Okay, you can keep either a paper or a rough book. Okay, so whenever you are noting down the points, don't miss that paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So the name of the chapter, that is lesson 10, respiration in organisms.
Organisms.
Okay, respiration in organism. I hope you can see this all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. I am reducing the size of it. Okay. So that is the name of the chapter. And the first one is about breathing. Okay. So Sarang told an excellent answer about breathing. Okay. Breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen. Taking in air rich in oxygen. And
Giving out air rich in carbon dioxide.
one minute is not working. My pen is not working. 1 minute. Okay. I hope it will work now. It's not working. Up to that time, Shane, please read the sentence which is there in the board.
Breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen. Ma'am, it's covering. And giving out air rich in carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory organs.
Okay, okay. 1 minute. Let me check the audio also. Okay. I want to note down some points there, but it's not possible. Asra, can you read the sentence here?
Breathing means taking in air.
Yeah.
Asra, you are
Taking in air.
Asra, you are muted.
Muted. See, children, please wait. I think some problem is there in the...
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, we cannot
hear you.
children, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay, good. Okay, so let me share the screen. I want to mark it some problems, okay, I want to mark the important points, but this pen is not working. I don't know what is the reason. Okay, so breathing means, okay, now it's working, okay. Breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out. What it is giving out, Akash? What we are giving out?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. So, Avanish, please tell me the answer of what do you mean by breathing?
Breathing means taking air in.
Taking in air. Which type of air?
Oxygen.
Taking in air, rich in. See, you can see a word here, rich in. Rich in oxygen. Very good. Then?
And giving out
air.
Rich in carbon dioxide.
Very good, very good. Okay, so that is mean by breathing. Anybody have any doubt regarding it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I hope you all noted down that point. So, Ebin Anthony, tell me, what do you mean by breathing?
Breathing is the process of taking in air.
Taking in air?
And exhale.
Taking in air, only air? Yes, Naveen. Yes, Naveen. Tell me, what do you mean by breathing?
Breathing means taking in air taking in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide.
Air rich in carbon dioxide. Very simple sentence. Ebin, repeat. Repeat. Ebin. Yeah. Tell me, what do you mean by breathing? Very simple one.
Breathing is the process of taking in oxygen and the air rich.
Taking in air rich in oxygen. Taking in air. We have to take in air. Which type of air? Rich in oxygen. And giving out. Taking in and giving out. Giving out.
Giving out oxygen.
Giving out oxygen. Are you giving out oxygen? Are you like plants? You are human being, right? So human being always gives out carbon dioxide. They are taking in oxygen. Okay. So this is about the breathing. Now you told breathing involves two processes, right? Breathing involves two processes. Alina.
Inhale and exhale.
Oh, okay. See, I want to ask you, Alina. Alina, breathing includes two processes. Which are they? Which are the two processes included in the breathing? Alina. Yes, Alina.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. Two processes include in that breathing, right? Breathing means two processes are going on simultaneously, together. So what is the name of those processes? Alina. Okay, Annette is ready to say that answer. Annette?
Inhale and exhale.
Very good. Inhalation and exhalation. Okay, inhale and exhale. We may say inhale and exhale. That is meant by inhalation and exhalation. Okay, before going to that definition, who know about inhalation? Inhalation. Who can say about inhalation?
Ma'am, can I?
Abhinav Aji. Yes.
Inhalation means that we are taking air inside.
Okay.
Oxygen inside.
Okay, we are taking. Yes, Nihal, if you can modify that answer, you can. Nihal.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Our lungs expand to take in air.
Okay. Okay. Then.
Which is called.
Okay. Some process is there. Then yes, Diya. In simple sentence. I got answer from Abhinav, but some words are missing in it. Yes, Diya.
Ma'am, inhalation is the process in which we take in air rich in oxygen.
Yeah, and the breathing. From the breathing definition itself, you can understand that, right? Inhalation means the process in which taking in air rich in oxygen. And do you have any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Clear. So next one, exhalation. Who can say about exhalation?
Ma'am.
1 minute. Gautam. Yes. What do you mean by exhalation? Exhalation.
The process of out rich in carbon dioxide is called.
Okay, giving out air rich in carbon. Excellent answer. Okay, so let me share this one. Yeah, can you see this slide? Can you see the board? Yes, they are inhalation and exhalation. Can you see that? Okay, these are the not new words, but you have to learn the spelling. So note down. So here I compared this inhalation and exhalation because in smaller classes you learned about inhalation, exhalation. But this class in the 7th standard we can compare and we can learn. So it will be easy for it, right? So let me call one more student. Devanarayan, can you read about inhalation? Can you see the board? Dev?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you see the board?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you read it? What do you mean by inhalation?
The taking in of air rich in oxygen during breathing is called inhalation.
Okay, the taking in of air rich in oxygen during breathing is called inhalation. So note down the point which I circled. Okay, inhalation means oxygen. During inhalation, we are taking oxygen. And Mariam, please read about the exhalation. This all
giving out or expelling of
expelling. Okay.
expelling of the air rich in carbon dioxide is called exhalation.
Okay, carbon dioxide. Here I mark the carbon dioxide. Giving out of carbon dioxide. That is called. See, some of your audio is unmuted and I can hear some sounds. So, exhalation means giving out carbon dioxide. If you are remembering that point, you can, your own words, you can write it. But this all point should be there. Okay, exhalation means giving out carbon dioxide. Yeah, that is called exhalation. Inhalation means taking in oxygen. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here it is showing it's not detecting. That is why. So one more student I am calling to compare this inhalation and exhalation. That is Amrita. Amrita, what is inhalation? What is inhalation?
The taking in the air of, the process of taking in air rich in oxygen is called inhalation.
And what about exhalation, Amrita?
Giving out carbon dioxide is called exhalation.
Okay, giving out rich in carbon dioxide. That is called exhalation. So if I stop it for you now, can you answer what do you mean by inhalation? For you now.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Asim. I will give you chance. Okay. Yeah. For you now.
The taking in of air is rich in oxygen is called inhalation. The giving out air rich in carbon dioxide is called exhalation.
Exhalation. I asked only inhalation, but you gave me double answer, right? So that is about inhalation and exhalation. See, this inhalation and exhalation makes the breathing process. Okay, so breathing is such a physical activity. Physical activity. We are taking in, we are giving out. So breathing is a physical activity and it is a continuous process, right? Can we live without breathing?
No, ma'am.
Can we live without breathing?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. See, for at least for 10 minutes or 10 seconds, we can't live without breathing, right? All the living things are breathing. And it is a continuous process. After one inhalation, we will do the exhalation also. Am I right? One inhalation followed by one exhalation. For one time, we will take the oxygen. That is followed by giving out of carbon dioxide, right? So one breathing means one exhalation, one inhalation plus one exhalation. Understood? Breathing means one inhalation plus one exhalation. Let me show you. So those who want to write down, they can write it here. Breathing. I am writing here. Can you see it? Can you see it, dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A breath means, what do you mean by one breath? One inhalation plus
one inhalation plus one exhalation.
Exhalation. One inhalation plus one exhalation. Right, note down it. Exhalation. Okay. So one breath When we take one breath, when we talk about breath, one breath means one inhalation plus one exhalation. Okay. So, Neha Mary, what do you mean by a breath? What do you mean by a breath, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by a breath?
Taking in air.
I am not asking about breathing. One breath. One breath, two breath, three breath. Likewise, we can tell. Okay. One breath means
Inhalation plus exhalation.
yes, Gautam. Gautam, one breath means
One
Inhalation plus one exhalation.
okay. 1 minute. Gautam, say it clear and in confident way. What do you mean by one breath?
Inhalation plus exhalation.
One inhalation plus one exhalation. Okay. So, when you take one inhalation followed by one exhalation, that may be counted as one breath. Okay. So, how many times you are taking breath? How many breaths you are taking? Huh? Can you count it? Huh?
No, ma'am, we can't count.
Yeah, so many times, so many number of breaths you are taking it, right? So many breaths you are taking. So one breath means one inhalation followed by exhalation. So we can count it. We can take a time. We can take 1 minute. We can just note down 1 minute. In 1 minute, how many breaths we are taking? We can count it. Likewise, the doctors are checking it. When you go to consult a doctor, the doctor may keep his stethoscope and he will check the breath. He is actually checking your breath. Understood? Is he keeping it on your? Is he checking it on your chest?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah, using his steth. He may count. He will,
that our heart is beating.
Okay. So that is it. So there also, and he likewise also we can see. That is in the same way we can check the number of breaths also. Okay. See, for an adult man, for a normal adult man, he can breathe 15 to 18 times in a minute. In a minute, 15 to 18 times. Okay, how many times in a minute?
15 to 18.
15 to 18 times a minute. 15 to 18 times per minute. Can you see it here? I am writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
For a normal person, in a minute he can breathe 15 to 18 times. Okay. So for the children like you, for the small children, it may be something more. Okay. And the breath, the number of times the person breathes per minute, that may differ from, that is different from the man and the woman also. Okay. So, yes, Nihal, yes.
Now I count breath.
Now?
I count my breath.
Oh, okay. How many times, dear? 11 times. Okay. Okay. So, nearly. Sometimes it may be some difference will be there. Then also, we can count it. Okay. So, here, this breathing rate. What do you mean by the next point? Breathing rate. Breathing rate means the number of times a person breathes in 1 minute. Number of times a person breathes in 1 minute. That is called breathing rate. Okay. So, in a normal person, normal adult may take 15 to 18 per minute, breaths per minute. That is the breathing rate of the adult person. Got it? Adult person, the breathing rate of adult person is 15 to 18 per minute. In 1 minute, he may take 15 to 18 breaths. Understood? Understood? So, what is breathing? That is called its breathing rate. Got it? So, number of times a person breathes in 1 minute, that is called breathing rate. Number of times a person breathes in 1 minute, that is called breathing rate. The average breathing rate in an adult human being at rest is 15 to 18 times per minute. So, a friend, just tell me,
Yes,
just think, I am taking 20 breaths in 1 minute. Okay, I am taking 20 breaths in 1 minute. What is the breathing rate of myself?
20
per minute, 20 times per minute. Okay, so Nihal told, how many Nihal you counted?
11.
11. So can you tell your breathing rate?
11.
11 times, 11 times per minute. Okay, so who is ready to give me the definition of breathing rate? Sharanya, are you ready?
Okay,
Sharanya? See, when I ask question, don't look on the notes which you noted. Okay, just remind it. Just remind it and remember it and say it. Okay, Sharanya? Okay, so tell me, what is a breathing rate?
The number of times a person breathes in 1 minute is called breathing rate.
Okay, very good. So let me ask some other. Asad, can you answer my question, Asad? What do you mean by breathing rate? Asad, what do you mean by breathing rate? No. Priyanna, what do you mean by breathing rate? Priyanna. 1 minute, Nihal. Priyanna. See, so many are ready to do it. Mariam. Yes, tell me, what do you mean by breathing rate?
The number of time a person breathes in a minute is termed as breathing rate.
Very good. Sarang Das, what do you mean by breathing rate? Can you tell it? Can you tell it, Sarang? Number of times.
The number of times
breathes in
80 to 50 minutes. 80 to 50 minutes is called breathing.
Okay, Sarang Das, that is not the correct answer. Listen, I will show it again. Okay, Sarang. Okay, Dia, please help Sarang. Yes.
The breath rates is the process in which a person breathes in 1 minute is called breathing rate.
Number of times a person breathes in 1 minute. Sarang, number of times a person breathes. Number of times a person breathes in 1 minute. In 1 minute, that is called breathing rate. In 1 minute, that is called breathing rate. Got it? So, normal adult human being breathing rate is 15 to 18 times. Normal adult human beings breathing rate is 15 to 80 times. So, Sarang Das, what is the breathing rate of adult human being? Sarang Das, what is the breathing rate of adult human being? Dion, what is the rate of adult breathing rate of adult human being?
The average breathing rate in an adult human being is 15 to 18.
15 to 18 per minute. Okay, 15 to 18 times per minute. Okay, so today we learned about Priyanna. Priyanna, can you tell me? Unmute your audio, Priyanna. She also facing some audio problem? No. Okay, Priyanna. Today, which all topics we learned today? Can you tell me? Can you recap that one? Priyanna, which all topic we discussed here in this class? Can you tell me, Priyanna? Don't know. Who can say it? Yes, Gautam. Yes, Gautam. Yeah. Gautam.
Breathing.
Okay. Oh, meaning of breathing. Then say it loud, Gautam. First one, breathing. Okay.
Inhale and exhale.
Okay, all others, please quiet. Please, others, quiet. Yeah. Then
Inhalation and exhalation.
very good. Then
And breathing rate.
breathing rate. Okay, this much things we learned, right? See, one more question to Shiva Krishna. Shiva Krishna, what do you mean by one breath? What do you mean by one breath? Breath.
Ma'am, can I say?
Please wait. Shiva Krishna, what do you mean by one breath? See, all are ready to say the answer.
Can I?
Yes, Asara. Asara, what do you mean by one breath? Unmute it, dear.
Can I?
Asara.
Can I?
Can I?
Natha. Asara, can you tell it? Asara. No, he left. She left.
Can I?
Okay. Alina. Alina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by one breath?
One inhalation and one exhalation.
Okay, very good. One breath means one inhalation plus one exhalation. Shiva Krishna, what do you mean by one breath?
Ma'am, he left, I think.
No,
Okay.
He's there.
Okay,
We have some
so
connectivity issue.
okay. Tell Shiva Krishna, you have to write it 3 times. Okay, what do you mean by breath?
Okay, ma'am.
One
That
breath.
I will inform him.
Okay.
That I will inform him.